Are you looking for the best exercise bikes? In this video we will look at some of the best exercise bikes in the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nordic Track Commercial Studio Cycle. This premium bike comes with a 22-inch touchscreen that provides access to elite trainers from around the world. Consider the Nordic Track Commercial Studio Cycle if you're looking for an intense and immersive experience from an exercise bike. This model comes with a 22-inch rotating high-definition touchscreen that provides on-demand workouts with world-class trainers through the included 30-day IFIT membership. This bike has 24 resistance levels, and you can adjust the incline up to 20%. This bike also connects via Bluetooth so that you can listen to your trainer or the music of your choice on your workout headphones or portable speaker. It can serve up to 5 users and also comes with 2 3-pound dumbbells. That said, this bike is an investment, but several warranty options are available in case you need reassurance that it's a wise purchase. 30-day iFit family membership included, on-demand workouts on your equipment with global workouts and studio classes, add up to 5 users, elite trainers adjust your equipment, $39 value. Upgraded 22-inch rotating HD touchscreen display streams on-demand iFit workouts, improved HD graphics processor, adjustable display allows for 360-degree screen rotation. Enhanced automatic trainer control, new quieter incline motor, -10% to 20% incline, 24 resistance levels, iFit trainers auto-adjust your resistance and incline for a hands-free workout at home. Tilting display. New Bluetooth headphone connectivity, pair your own Bluetooth headphones to your bike for high-quality in-ear audio, faster Wi-Fi connectivity, 2, 3lb dumbbells for cross-training on your bike. 350-pound user weight capacity, protected with a 10-year frame warranty, 2-year parts warranty, and 1-year labor warranty, 59-inch HX22WX60L. Number 2. Geeky Recumbent Exercise Bike for Adults Seniors. A spacious, ergonomic, and lightweight design that's intended for senior users, or those in physical therapy, at a very fair price point, perfect for physical therapy, rehabilitation, or seniors needing more delicate care. This recumbent bike is lightweight, smooth, and offers an ergonomic design easing pressure off the spine. Recumbent bikes are known to be better for those with back and joint pain and offer a larger seat than upright bikes, which may be more comfortable to use for older bikers. The Geeky bike features 8 gear resistance levels, which are easy to adjust with just a flick of the knob. At only 66 pounds with 2 wheels in front, any user can easily move it around. The low frame and spacious design also make it easy to get on and off for those who are injured or need more range of motion. Some users say the seat could be more comfortable and sturdier, so we suggest placing a small pillow or cushion on the seat if you find you need the extra support. You can easily track your progress on the LCD screen, and the bike will also count miles biking backward if your physical therapy requires alternative movement. All of this see. Number 3. Schwinn Recumbent Bike 230 Series. Despite its laid-back riding position, this full-featured ride offers a full suite of features that includes everything you need for very challenging workouts. As far as recumbent bikes go, the Schwinn series offers one smooth, joint-friendly ride. The 270 model offers the most frills, like up to 4 profiles if you plan to share this bike with family or roommates. The 230 model only allows 2 profiles to be saved. For comparison, the 270 model features Bluetooth connectivity, the ability to sync with downloadable apps and virtual ride-along experiences, 29 programs, 12 profiles, 9 heart rate controls, for custom settings, 2 fitness tests, 1 quick start, 25 resistance levels, 2 LCD monitors, a media shelf, speakers, and a fan to keep you cool. The flywheel resistance is magnetic, meaning it's especially rigorous on mountains and hills, which you can pre-program for rides in the park or rolling hills, for example. The magnetic resistance also makes it exceptionally quiet, especially compared to anything with a belt or fan, so we definitely recommend it for apartment use. However, some reviewers have found the heart rate monitor is flaky, at best, and the calorie counter isn't the most reliable. We suggest opting for a separate fitness watch if you want to keep a more detailed account of your progress. With enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, users can set, track and monitor progress with popular app-based tracking tools. Discover 100+ global routes that auto-adjust in real time to your speed. Explore the world subscription required. Designed to work with popular cycling apps such as Zwift, separate subscriptions required. 5.5-inch LCD offers 13 workout programs. 16 levels of magnetic resistance for a wide range of workout intensity options. Telemetry heart rate enabled an ergonomically placed grip heart rate for a relaxed riding position when using a heart rate program. Contoured seat with large, vented back for cool, comfortable workouts. Weighted strapped pedals. High speed, high inertia perimeter weighted flywheel for a smooth and quiet workout. Please review owner's manual for proper product care and after-sales contact information. Number 4. Chauka Indoor Cycling Bike. A heavy flywheel and magnetic resistance pair with a belt drive system to give this full-featured bike plenty of resistance options and tweakability. This indoor bike has magnetic resistance and a belt-driven system, offering the quietest biking experience for apartment dwellers or those with sensitive neighbors. Even at spinning speed, it stays super quiet, so you won't announce to everyone in the house that you're working out. It's also good if you like to watch content on your TV or smartphone while you exercise. The heavier flywheel and rust-resistant steel frame are durable, high-quality, stable, and sturdy for a consistently comfortable riding experience. Adjust the resistance with a handy knob, and note that you'll have to push down on the knob to stop the bike when it's in motion. It also comes with transportation wheels to easily move it around or out of sight when not in use, plus a two-way, up/down, adjustable handlebar. Assembly seems to be the biggest complaint with this bike. The instructions may be somewhat confusing, and the pedal screwing into the bike must be handled just right, which can be a pain if you're not particularly handy. We recommend using a bit of oil on the pedal thread when assembling your bike. Number 5. Exerputic Folding Magnetic Upright Exercise Bike with Pulse. If you only need a basic workout and you're not trying to crank away on the pedals, this cheap ride will suit you just fine and leave lots of budget for padded shorts. At only 39 pounds with a foldable design, this exercise bike is one of the market's lightest and most budget-friendly designs. This bike is a great starter for those looking to get into cycling. Note that while this bike is advertised as an upright bike, the structure of the bike functions more as a hybrid. Even at such a low price point, you still get some bells and whistles, like basic workout tracking that stores your workouts in progress and access to the trainer-led subscription service. A few notes: the seat is not the most comfortable compared to more expensive models. We suggest adding foam to the back of the seat to contour it for a more comfortable seated experience. Also, because it's so lightweight, it's very handy for taking in and out of storage. But because it is so light, we wouldn't recommend doing intensity sprints on this model. All levels, an 8-level magnetic control system allows the user to adjust the tension level for an easier or more challenging workout. This indoor bike has a 3-piece high-torque cranking system for a smooth pedaling motion. The future of fitness: add the MyCloud Fitness Cadence sensor, sold separately, to track your workouts effectively, stream motivating classes, and calculate your food calories. The future of connected fitness means you don't have to do it alone. Easy to read: a 3.5W x 1.5H LCD screen allows you to see your distance, calories burned, time, and speed. The cycling bike has a 300 pounds capacity, a hand pulse monitor, and larger pedals with safety straps to prevent foot slippage when exercising.